Dimmy Pay. Hey guys, so let's go.
We're gonna make snow. Okay, so this is a 2-ingredient project. So all you need is some water, a diaper, or you don't have to use a diaper, but you can use super absorbent Polymore. And Polymore is inside of a diaper. So you can either use a diaper that you have, or you can use some Polymore. So let's get started. Okay, so the first step is we're gonna pour some water inside of our bowl. And first, you guys, we're gonna use this. We're gonna use super absorbent Polymore. And we're gonna also show you how to use it with a diaper. So let's pour the water inside of our bowl. This. And add some. That's enough. Okay. Like, you don't even need a whole bunch of you guys to make this. So we're gonna wait like 10 to 15 seconds.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wait 10 to 15 seconds for this. Okay guys, so that stuff is forming right now. And while we wait on that, we're gonna go ahead and make the diaper. You can see it. Okay, so while that is going, we're gonna do the diaper.
Okay, you need a diaper or me?
So we're gonna pour some water in that diaper. And then guys, you want me to do it for you?
Oh, my bad.
It's okay. Let me see. Just pour some water in there. Just pouring some water in here. And I can pour a lot.
Okay.
You can see it just forming. You see how that diaper is getting full. It's time to change it. So yeah, and you guys need to cut it open and you'll see some snow in there for you. But our snow is done.
Yeah. Yay.
You like it, Demi? Winter came early.
Wait, I'll get my toy here.
You can get a toy? Okay. Look at this, you guys. Let's just take all the snow and put it on here for Demi. Just all the snow.
Okay.
It's satisfying too.
Well, over here. Right over here.
Demi's playing with her sand toys. God, I look away for a quick second.
Right here. How did it?
Look at this, you guys. Look at all this. That is so.
I like it down.
Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you understand how to make your very own snow, either whether it's summer, winter, fall, any day, anytime, any year. So bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
See you next video.
Bye,